20 years ago this year, Jim Lahey shared his no-knead bread recipe with the world. It's a very simple recipe, but the long, slow rise and the Dutch oven baking technique produces a bakery-style loaf with a crusty exterior and a light, airy crumb. Here's how you make it. Whisk together 3 cups of bread flour, a 1/4 teaspoon instant yeast, and 2 teaspoons of kosher salt. For best results, use a scale to measure. There are metric measurements given in the recipe. Add 1 5/8 cup water and stir until you have a sticky dough ball. Cover the bowl and let the dough rest at room temperature for 30 minutes. Uncover the bowl and using a wet hand, stretch and fold the dough. As you stretch and fold the dough, you should feel it transform from being shaggy to being smooth and elastic. I find slapping and folding the dough really helps it come together into a cohesive ball. Cover the bowl again and let the dough rise at room temperature for 12 to 18 hours. Uncover the bowl and turn the dough out onto a lightly floured work surface. Fold the dough over itself once or twice. Shape it into a rough ball and let it rest for 15 minutes. After the 15 minutes, sprinkle a towel with cornmeal, wheat bran, oat bran, or any combination of the 3. Place the dough seam side down on the towel and sprinkle with more cornmeal, wheat bran, or oat bran. Wrap up the dough in the towel, then place the whole bundle in a bowl or find a safe place on your counter to let it rise again for 2 more hours. 45 minutes before you plan on baking, place a Dutch oven into your oven and preheat it to 450 degrees. Unwrap the dough, lay a sheet of parchment paper over the top, then carefully flip it so that the seam side is up. Brush away any excess cornmeal, then carefully transfer your dough to the preheated Dutch oven. Cover the pot and transfer it to the oven for 30 minutes. Uncover the pot and return it to the oven for another 10 to 15 minutes. Remove the pot from the oven and transfer the loaf to a cooling rack. Let cool for at least 30 minutes before slicing. And that's it. It's hard to believe that just 4 ingredients produce something so tasty with such a beautiful texture. Of course, as Jim Lahey noted in the original recipe, time does the bulk of the work here, and the Dutch oven, too, is crucial for creating that bakery-style crackling crust. As always, let me know if you have any questions. Bye!